welcome everybody. It's 7 PM, got finished off work early. Just have a quick ride and explain about me and my passion for riding and about the channel, what I'm going to do, etc. So firstly, my name's Michael, pleased to meet you. This is my lovely bike. I don't think I need anything more than what I've got. There's no point. I'm 60 years old and I'm coming on 61 this year. Don't really need out bigger. Don't need a 750, etc. So I have fun on my bike. Yeah. Me and Alice have been together 29 years now, so it'll be 30 years this year. We've got 4 kids. All good kids. Been blessed with having good kids. And my passion for riding. I've been riding since I was 17. Well, that's when I passed my test one. Let's get past these first. A little bit of an accident. I'm not looking what they're doing. Yeah, I've been riding since I was 17. Passed my test. It was different in them days to what it is now. You didn't know, like A2 license and full license and learner and all that kind of stuff. When I did mine, it's a case of bloke stood on the corner, he watched you go around, he said turn left, turn left, turn left, and you come back to me. And then you had to do a walk by him, walk on the side of the road with him, you know, using your clutch control. And then he said, when you go around again, when I stick my arm out, when you do an emergency stop. So yeah, that was cool. Did some signs afterwards, different road signs and stuff, and that was it. And you could ride what you want after that. I passed my test. So I did that on my first bike that I bought. Was a Yamaha RD200. Lovely bike. I had 2 mates at the time. One mate had a Yamaha 250, RD250, and my other mate had a Suzuki GT250. Verbal, that GT250 with reed valves, I think it was in the. But yeah, I think 250s then were faster than what they are now. And we used to go out riding, it's fun. It was really cool. Hello, fella biker. Yeah, it was really cool. We had some fun. Then I got into speedway riding. We used to go to Halifax. I think it was Halifax Speedway. I think it was. Should have got Odsel or the Oval or something like that. We used to go every Saturday night, ride the bikes over the top to Halifax to watch the speedway race. That was our Saturday night out. And some really good times. And I got hooked on the speedway and I did speedway riding for a couple of years. And that was cool. I bought, what are you doing up my ass? It's going to go round me, go round me. Yeah, we did, I bought a bike from Manchester speedway rider. I can't remember his name. The foreign name. Bought one of his bikes, used bikes. 500 Jawa, and did that for a race. My mate also bought one, and we used to go on testing, etc. So that was cool part of my life. Then I did a bit of trials riding. I had also 250, and we had a Bull Tacker, and the other mate had a Montesa 250. We used to go to the hills in Huddersfield, where I was from in West Yorkshire, and we used to do that. That was cool. My My youth was bike riding and stuff and just chilling out, really. Until I met the Mr. Beer man, the pubs and stuff, and then yeah, this is what everybody else does when they're young. Mr. Invincible. So yeah, I had a bout of not having bikes for 10 years when the kids were young. Obviously the family came first and stuff. But after that, I managed to get some more bikes and that as they got a bit older. And then last 5-6 years I got some money through and bought myself a brand new Kawasaki J300 scooter when they first came out. I had a before I bought that one, I had a gsxr 500cc scooter. That was wicked. The corner like a motorbike, it's amazing. Yeah, but there were not many Kawasaki's about at that time. J300s, they're just first on the scooters. Kawasaki, first one they did. So I managed to sell that as a profit, and then I got thinking, well, if I buy it, I went and bought an XJ600 Yamaha on a 99 plate, beautiful bike, did it up a little bit, and then sold it, made some profit on that. And then I've got some videos of all the other 4 bikes I got to get this bike. Never drivers, never wave to you. So yeah, so I bought and sold 4 or 5 of the bikes to actually be able to get this, and I got this. These mean the Suzuki gsx-r is around about £4,000 list, and managed to get this at 6 months old with 1,000 miles on the clock for £2,200. So I got a bargain. I thought, right, I'm stopping now, I like this bike, no point in really getting another bike. This one's cool, I'll keep it. I know what I really want to get. I mean, we have an electric scooter that everybody can ride. You don't need a license or MOT or insurance for it. So my 18-year-old son can ride it, and my daughter can go to work on it, and it doesn't cost out, just charge it up. It does about 20 miles. It's cool. That's what we use. But I'd really like to get something like a Zero. I want to, 4 years time when I not retire, because I'll still be working, but I'll have my pension as well, and I might buy myself a newer Zero motorcycle. In 4 years time the battery technology is going to be a bit more different. So instead of doing about 120 miles before you charge up, you might get about 200 miles out of them. Then I better go to Yorkshire and see my dad. That'll be cool. Right. What I'll do now is I'm going to not stay out for a little bit. I'll just put a bit of music on that I've mixed for about 3.5 minutes.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
There we go, I hope you enjoy that music. Hey, a bit of jigginess. Yeah, just a little bit of story, just a bit of background on me. On the channel, I'm just going to go out and ride and have fun as much as I can. And I'd love you to have you on my journey. Just riding around, etc. And we can all have some fun together. So yeah, please don't think you have to subscribe. But if you do, like I said, I'd love you to have you on my journey. And there's a free camera giveaway for the first 200 subscribers, past and present, up to 200. And hope to reach that in a couple of weeks. So an action camera where you can use on holiday or on your push bike, or kids can use it and have some fun with it, etc. So that's a giveaway for free. So please subscribe for that purpose only, because you could win it. You got to be in it to win it. So I'm going to say tatty bye now. So thanks all for watching, and please subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Viewed, like and comment, and I'll answer the comment. And yeah, tatty bye for now.